It is easy to sign up and get started using Saphyte. You just have to follow these simple steps to onboard yourself. First, go to Saphyte's website and click Get Started. You can also go directly to the sign up page by typing www.saphyte.com/get started. It will redirect you to the Get Started page where you'll be asked to fill out your information such as the first name, last name, email address, password. Choose the plan which you want to avail of on a free trial for 30 days and the name of your workspace. Read the terms and conditions, and once it is fully understood, tick the box and click Register. You will then be asked to verify your email address. The email verification is a mandatory process in setting up your account. You'll receive a code via email. Enter the verification code and click Complete Registration. Once you have successfully verified your email, Saphyte will prepare your workspace build for a few minutes. Once your workspace is ready, you'll be notified that your workspace has been created successfully.